Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in the YOUCANIC we have our 2016 Dodge Journey, and on this Dodge Journey we're going to go over how you would replace these lights here. These are your trunk cargo lights, so once you have your trunk opened, or the back hatch, whatever you like to call it, it's the lights that will illuminate so that you can get the stuff out of the back of your vehicle. So to start with, you'll just be able to put your screwdriver up and work the clips out and pop these down. And then when you pop that cover down, you got your two lights here, one on each side. And these lights, you can just grab them, pull them out of the clamp there. And the light you want to get for a new one to put in here, the light bulb is a 579. So you'd get a new 579, and then you just take it and push it up in there. Doesn't matter which way it really goes, you just push it back in there. Once you're done doing that, then you can just take your little cover back up. You want to note you've got this side has got 3 little indents, which makes a line up on this, and so that this goes in one way. You just snap that all back up into place. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.